It's time for another review. Hello everyone, thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So today we actually have just a quick review. This is the Sand Fighter, which, once you see it, everyone will know that this is Sandman. This was made by SL Custom. I bought this because I'm literally on the road of creating my Sinister Six group, and so I'm missing Sandman, and lastly I'll be getting Electro when it gets released later this year. I saw some things online about this figure already, and I was kind of on the fence about it, but as of right now, just like some other figures, this is all that we have right now, so this is all we have to work with. And some things look pretty good about it, so I was like, okay, let me go ahead and just grab it just so I can have it, and that way, if nothing else gets released, I at least have this guy. But there's really not a lot going on when it comes to the packaging, and this is a relatively small box, and there's really not a whole lot of accessories that comes with this guy, so I already know that this is actually going to be pretty quick when it comes to stuff, but nevertheless it's still a cool looking figure. So here we have the guy out of the box. There's really not a whole lot to it, but that's a decent head sculpt. I mean, like I said, you're really not getting anything too special with it, but the texture of the sand, that is done well. I do like the shirt that it comes with. I think that's a pretty good thing. I'm not too bothered by any kind of weathering or anything like that, because I mean, he can pretty much look the way he wants and then turn it to the sand. So it's still pretty cool to have. The hands are really well done. I kind of I would have preferred to have something all the way through. I mean, pretty much this is just a basic figure. They sculpted the hands, they did the head, it's a regular body, they did shirt, pants, something like this. Was really quick. Like, it didn't take that very long to create, something like this. So pretty much they just give you, your body and your sculpted pieces. So like I said, it is what it is. I'm still satisfied with it. So in addition to getting your two-fisted hands, you also get these other unique pieces that you can swap out, which is appreciated. It's still really good. I like the same kind of texture detail as everything else as far as the head and hands and everything. So this is done really good. You can see on the inside the peg that you basically put the hands in, so you don't really have to move around too much, but you can at least see what that looks like on the inside. So you have those, and then after that you have just some generic hands, because the figure does come with some money. So these are kind of hands that you would use for holding the money pieces and everything. So it's really, it's not anything real special about the whole thing. These are just the regular hands that you come with, and then he comes with two fists, which are, there's not really anything special about the fist, because they're just the standard fists that come with any other body of this type. So I believe this body is probably, I think it's the JX series body. It just looks really familiar from other bodies that I've had. And then you get your pack of money, which, you've seen one, you've seen them all. And that's pretty much all you get. So I really want to see if I can get some really good pictures with this, because like I said, even after looking at it and seeing the stuff online and seeing other reviews, I think I could really pull off some decent things. One of the things I did pick up to go along with it is I picked up some kinetic sand, because just the consistency of this is something that really you can use to go along with it. I'm not really concerned about the color of everything, because again, you can just kind of play around with it and do whatever you want. But this is sand is just like really easy to use because you can mold it, do what you want, and pretty much it will stay. So we'll be using this for our photos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into some pictures and see what we come up with. Again, I'll take this time to thank you very much for tuning into the channel and checking out the photos that we have, and also still be aware of the Toytography magazine, the 2 issues that are out now. We have another one on the way. So again, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.